You've already missed a lot if you're just tuning in, so you
No
want to go
pressure.
to items recently on air. We have 11 new items in the show. This is one of them. Tara Tesher.
Mildly obsessed with this.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
So Tara is the CEO and the founder and the lead designer of the Temp-tations brand. We've been celebrating this brand for 21 years. When we say in a 2-hour show that there are 11 new items, that's a big deal.
It's a big deal.
Look at
You better believe it.
Wait a minute. This is called a 2-quart embossed footed bowl.
Why? Because I did little embossed feet at the bottom. I can't. I'm so in love with this.
Wait a minute.
So 2-quart, always a great size bowl, right? Can mix right in here. It's our great stoneware. Look at this with the little rooster feet. I can't. And look how I like floated all the roosters around. Like I just love mixing and matching this in with the doodle-doo. So there's your little rooster feet. Do you want to show the bunny feet?
This is doodle, and look, this is just for chicken scratch.
Oh,
it's just
boy.
the chicken
Did you write that down?
No.
Oh.
Here's the egg hunt with...
The bunny feet.
It's got bunny beans.
I
Look,
can't.
you can see the beans.
And look, they're embossed, so they're raised, so you have that nice, beautiful texture. And then this is hand-painted on the outside as well. It creates a roadmap for the artisans to go hand-paint. All of your eggs are hand-painted, and then even the rim has that rope braided detail, and then the little 5-dot flowers on the inside.
This is Mom's Easter basket.
It's adorable.
Right here.
That's a great idea.
April 9th. Order it in the show. You get it in plenty of time.
Or do you ever make Easter bread? Where you braid the bread and you put the egg? This would be perfect for that, so love that. And then can we just talk about the paffetti for a second, because I'm so in love with the adorable embossing of the feet. Like I said, if we never showed anything other than just the bowl, I love the bowl size and the depth there. So 2 quarts, but it's not super wide, which is great.
And it's even got the rooster on the inside of the doodle choice.
And again, there's a little styrofoam in there. That's for you.
I like a little extra.
You're
this
welcome.
is the doodle. So if you want the rooster, get the doodle. Look at the feet. And then if you want the paws, that's paffetti. We've already sold out of a couple of paffetti choices in the show.
Surprised.
And this choice in particular is called Egg Hunt. It's
Adorable.
5 easy payments of $5.50. But this is still the same stoneware that we love.
100%. So look at what we did down here. Of course, we made a cute little, I know this is a quick little sell, but we did a little Easter basket. This could be your side dish. This can be your mashed potatoes. You can do a split pea soup inside here. You can use it for serving with your fried chicken. So again, this is a bowl. We are asked constantly for bowls. This is just a super stinking cute bowl.
Do you know that I didn't even know the presentation was over? I just heard music playing, and I was like, hey, guys, I'm hearing music. They're like, yeah, we need you to move. So here's the deal. 500
I'm going with her.
have already been